Hi friends. Let's learn something about measures of central tendency. In statistics, mean, median and mode are the three measures of central tendencies. Why we should know these can be better understood by an example. Suppose your manager has given you a few days' sales data and asked you to budget for next month's sales. Most of us will quickly calculate average daily sales and multiply with 30 days to make a budget for the next month. Is this budget number right? Let's first calculate median and mode and budget based on these two measures. Let's compare budget estimates. Our budget estimate based on average is 91% higher than the budget estimates based on median and mode. The reason for this error is one exceptional number in our list, which is 500. Such exceptions are called outliers in statistics, and best way to find such numbers is to see your data in a graphical view. In this scatter plot you can see that 500 is very far away from main data range, hence you can investigate such abnormalities and can budget based on normal data to get the best estimates. In very simple words, I have defined these three terms for you. Like and subscribe my channel.